This is a very, very common lift. Very common. You'll see these everywhere. And they're relatively inexpensive. Stand, post, fulcrum, and a couple of hooks. That's it. It's the simplest thing in the world. In fact, it's too simple. Yeah. And what I mean by that is when you lift the track up, the track is full of snow and it's close to the gravel. So if you spin that track, invariably, a whole bunch of stuff's going to come flying out behind. Snow, ice, gravel, perhaps all kinds of stuff will come flying out behind like this. And that's actually dangerous. You know, if you have your buddy, your partner, your wife, your kids, or somebody anywhere nearby, because that can sometimes fly 20, 30 feet behind the snowmobile, it can actually be very bad. But there's a really, really good change, a little improvement that you can make to make it into a great lift rather than just an average lift. What do? Well, it's really very simple. Get a piece of steel. In this case, I happen to have a piece of steel laying around. That's a nice big piece of steel. I like it. You don't need it quite this heavy. But if you have a heavy piece, great. Cut it. The size, same width as the lift. And about, this is not even a foot, but let's say about a foot high, close to the ground, because all of that debris that comes flying up from the track is low. None comes out from the top. The top is going that way, right? So it comes out the bottom, and you want to get close to the ground. This guard, if you like, close to the ground, so nothing goes underneath it. Just about that simple. But all you have to do is drill 2 holes, cut it the shape, cut it the size, as I've done. Drill a couple of holes and a couple of bolts and nuts. I suggest you use nylock nuts. I like nylock nuts. They're better than regular lock nuts, spring type lock nuts. Put a couple of bolts in there, just like so. Fit it in, nylock nut on the back, and you're all set to go. Now you won't have any problems when you spin that track to free it up. You get rid of the snow. I'm going to put this all together. I'll show you the finished product in just a minute. Plate, like so, close to the ground, 2 bolts, right through the tower. There you go. Now you can put this behind your snowmobile. If you decide to spin the track to clean it or for whatever, you won't be throwing crap and dirt all over the garage, the shed, or hurting other people as well. Anyway, quick tip, certainly make your lift a lot better and safer too. Take care, guys. ALEC Peirce at the ranch, going snowmobiling.